Welcome to Back on Stage, the software that helps band leaders and musicians enjoy their music careers again by automating all the boring business aspects. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to join BOS as a musician, set up to receive payments from your band leader, and give you a quick overview of the BOS interface. By now, your band leader should have sent you an invitation to join their band on BOS already. Simply find the invitation email in your mailbox and click here to accept your invitation. Fill in your profile information, and you're ready to access Back on Stage on your computer, phone, or tablet anytime. Now, let's set up your invoice settings so you can receive payments from your band leader. Click your profile icon on the top left corner and select My Profile. You should see that most of your profile information is already there. Simply scroll down and copy your account info into your invoice settings. You can also add any applicable sales taxes in your region. Finally, BOS handles all financial transactions through PayPal, so don't forget to enter your PayPal email address here to receive payments from your band leader. Next, let me show you the 3 most important pages in BOS that you will be working with every day. Here we have the dashboard. It is the main page that contains all the important information at a glance. Here are the calendar, task, and chat sections where you can find the most up-to-date information on each gig. Down below is the booking section. It will let you know the booking status, as well as the payment for each event. When you click on the event title, you will be taken to the individual booking view page that will present each gig in detail. Alternatively, you can access the individual booking view from the calendar in the dashboard. Simply go to the dashboard and select an event on the calendar. In the individual booking view, you will see the location of the gig, schedule, as well as the services being offered. Down here is the tab section where you will see the chat module that will connect you with everyone who is on this particular gig. Task function lets the band leader assign a specific task to a band member. You can also upload any files you want to share with other band members. In the Role tab, you can see who else is booked for the gig, and review your payment for this gig in the Finance tab. Now, let me show you the coolest module in Back on Stage, the Repertoire features. To access the Repertoire feature, you can click on the music symbol on the menu. This is basically a sheet music library that your band leader has uploaded for the band. You can view and practice your songs on this screen, or select the Smart Setlist from the individual booking view. BOS is smart, and it will send the correct sheet music part to the correct musician. Finally, let me show you how to accept bookings from your band leader so you can start making money with Back on Stage. When a band leader sends you a gig invitation, you will receive an email giving you all the gig details, including time, location, payment, and the invitation's expiry. Simply click Respond Now at the bottom to accept or decline the gig offer. This will take you straight to Back on Stage where you can accept or decline the invitation. When you accept this gig, you will be connected to it on your BOS calendar and will be able to access all information related to this gig. Not using Back on Stage in your band yet? Ask your band leader to join Back on Stage. As always, please like and subscribe and check out our website for more awesome tutorials. Let's take your music business to the next level.